Hey there, I'm Eric with Riton Optics, and in this video we're going to demonstrate mounting the Tactix PRD2 onto our Shadow Systems MR920. Safety is always the top priority here at Riton, so before we even begin, we will clear the area of any live ammunition, make sure there's nothing even in reach, nothing on the table, and then we'll make the weapon safe. So first thing you always do is remove the source of ammunition. This magazine has already been removed. We'll lock the slide back, look and feel, confirming that there is nothing in this weapon and it is 100% safe to handle now to do this install video. So getting into this optic, this is the Tactix PRD2. It's the new red dot from Riton. It has a lot of really cool features integrated into it to include shake awake technology, auto shut off after 3 minutes, auto brightness. It has 6061 aluminum construction, so it's super rugged, and our super clear HD glass. So this is a top-notch unit and we'll be installing it on this top-notch firearm. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go through your owner's manual because every firearm is different. This one is not excluded from that. We have several sets of screws and spacers that are provided by Shadow Systems. And for the RMR type footprint, which is what our optic uses, they recommend the A spacer and the number 2 screws. However, our specific optic will be using the number 1 screws that are provided by Shadow Systems. All right, so we're going to get started here. First thing we want to do is install the provided CR2032 battery. Get it in there nice and snug. We're going to check that this functions as it should with the battery installed. It does, so it's properly installed. It may pop out there a little bit, so that'll be a little tricky here. Next, we're going to use the provided A spacer towards the back because it makes a difference. Make sure to, again, reference your user's manual. There's a couple of notches on the plastic spacer that coincide with notches inside the optics cut to the rear. We're going to try to do this without too much hassle, but it never goes perfectly smoothly on camera. It is a very tight fit, as it should be, but it should slide in there. There you go. We'll just confirm that the optic is aligned as best as we can. You can usually see the screw holes are also in alignment. Looks pretty centered there. Before we install these screws, Shadow System recommends a little bit of blue Loctite. Little dab will do you on this, guys. Just a little bit to the threads. Take our optic here, drop these in. Okay. Then we're going to use this fancy torque wrench. It's in inch-pounds. That'll help us make sure we don't over-tighten these guys. We always want to do a maximum of 8 inch-pounds so we don't cause any damage. If you find that you're getting any kind of loosening or walking out, if you will, the easiest thing to do is just use a tiny amount of blue thread lock. Shadow Systems actually provides that in their mounting kit, which is really nice. We're just bolting this down snug, and we'll turn this wrench until it indicates 8 inch-pounds. That was good. That's good. And just like that, your new Riton Tactix PRD2 is installed. And as always, this optic is covered by Riton's unlimited lifetime warranty. If you have any questions about the warranty or any of our other products, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find our contact information at ritonoptics.com. Thanks.